Button the jacket, here we go.
Everybody would drop to their knees and bow down every time Haman walked by. Aside for one person, Mordechai did not bow down. V'chol zeh einenu shoveli. All of the people that are bowing down to me and giving me respect and honor are worthless if that one person, Mordechai, does not give me honor. How could that be? How could it be that so many people are bowing down to him? And yet he says it's all worthless because that one person burst my bubble. The reason is, explains Reb Chaim Shmulevitz, there are two different kinds of desires in this world. There are physical desires that we see instant results and outcome from. I want that juicy burger. I eat it, it's delicious. Until I step on the scale, I'm really happy. That is a quick result that we get from that physical desire. But there are certain things, like the Mishnah Pirkei Avos says, Kina, Taiva, Kavod, honor being one of the things that are Motziin as Adam in Olam, that they take a person out of this world. The reason is because honor is a self-imagined desire. So even if you're getting a lot of it, if it's not what you imagined, it's worth nothing. So Haman was not satisfied, even though all those other people were bowing down to him, because it's not what he imagined, and therefore he did not feel fulfilled. And honor is one of those things that the more you get it, the more you want. So what you imagine is never going to be fulfilled, and that's why it never ends off well. But wait, there are certain times that honor and respect should be demanded and required. If somebody's in a leadership position or they have to lead with force, they need to have a certain amount of respect and honor that they're given. We learned from our parsha how Moshe Rabbeinu was able to accomplish this. Moshe was the most humble person in the world, but there were moments where he had to lead and couldn't be humble. Rabbi Akiva Eiger explains that's why he put a mask on his face when he stood up in front of the Jewish people to lead them. But the moment that was done, he took the mask off and returned back, maintaining his humble demeanor always. Honor is a bubble. It's shiny and exciting, and people like to chase it. But once you reach out for it, it pops. Wishing you a Freilich Purim and a great Shabbos. We have to be careful. The question is, we say a story of Rabbi Yeshua ben Hanania. Is that the name? Yeah, it was. I follow my... Be careful on the wording here. Actually, one second, I messed up what normal doesn't fit in. So you might hear a lot of safety messages and different How do we end it? It's important that we each train ours, as difficult as it may. And it says that, and Haman said, Pum, I don't like Pum. It's a weird